Doğan Ömür is a distinguished academician in veterinary reproduction and artificial insemination at Atatürk University, Faculty of Veterinary Medicine, Turkey. His research expertise includes sperm cryopreservation, reproductive biotechnologies, nanotechnology applications in reproduction, and advanced fertility enhancement techniques in animals. He has authored more than 35 international and 13 national journal articles, along with 38 national and international conference proceedings. Prof. Ömür has also contributed to several important books, including Reproduction, Andrology and Assisted Reproductive Techniques in Animals and Nanotechnology in Reproduction. In 2022, he designed a patented photostimulation-based device aimed at improving fertilization rates in artificial insemination. With extensive international research experience, he has collaborated with institutions across Europe, the USA, and Asia, including the Chinese Academy of Sciences. Prof. Ömür actively serves on editorial boards, reviews for leading scientific journals, and has received multiple prestigious academic awards. His global impact and scientific leadership make him highly deserving of the Remarkable Academician Award.